Hi everyone, this is Jinsi here. In today's video, we're going to make this delicious carrot dates pecan cake. So let's get started. To make this cake, we begin by caramelizing the sugar. Into a saucepan, we add 100 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon water, and set it on medium flame. Wait until the sugar melts and changes color. This will take a few minutes. Once the sugar starts to change color, slowly and gently swirl the pan. This will even out the color. Let the color of the mixture deepen a little more, and then we turn off the flame. Let the caramelized sugar cool down a bit, and then we add 1/4 cup of water. Be extra careful when you add water to the caramelized sugar because it will splutter. Turn off the flame and set aside the caramelized sugar. Now we're going to make the cake batter. Into a bowl, we add 2 room temperature eggs, half cup of powdered sugar, which is around 52 grams, 3/4 cup oil, which is around 175 ml. Whisk all the ingredients thoroughly. Next, we are going to sift the dry ingredients. Into a sifter, we add 1 cup of flour, which is around 125 grams, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, we add the spices, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Sift all the dry ingredients carefully. Whisk the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients thoroughly. Next, add the caramelized sugar. Gently mix the caramelized sugar into the cake batter. Next, we add 1 cup of finely grated carrots, which is around 140 grams. Remember to squeeze out the excess water from the grated carrots before adding it to the cake batter. Gently fold the grated carrots into the cake batter. Set aside the cake batter. Now let's prepare the dates and nuts. 3/4 cup finely chopped dates. I've used sweet dates here, which is approximately 90 grams. 1/4 cup roasted and finely chopped pecan nuts, which is around 40 grams. 1 tablespoon of flour. Coat the dates and nuts in the flour. This ensures that the dates and nuts do not sink to the bottom of the cake batter once it bakes. Next, we set this aside. Add the nuts into the previously prepared batter. Fold the dates and nuts very gently into the cake batter using a spatula. Let's pour the cake batter into a baking mold. To bake this cake, I'm using a 1 pound loaf tin which I've greased and coated in flour. Next we pour in the cake batter. Garnish with some almond flakes. Bake this cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. The bake time may vary depending on the oven used, so I highly recommend that you try a toothpick test to check if the cake is completely baked or not. If not, you may adjust the bake time by 5 more minutes. Once the cake is fully baked, allow it to cool completely before slicing it. The carrot dates pecan cake looks amazing, guys, and it smells delicious out from the oven. Do give the recipe a try and let me know how it turned out to be. I'm sure you all will love it. Please find all the ingredients listed below in the description box and stay tuned for more recipes. If you like my recipes, please subscribe, like and share. This really helps me to grow my channel, and also it motivates me to try new recipes. Till then, signing off, Jinsi here. Bye bye.